inverse of a matrix using the elementary transformation. So what I told you, this is the matrix you have chosen, minus 1, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 7, 8, 6. So my target is, first what we have to do is, the first thing is we have to write A is equal to I into A. This is first thing. So identity matrix and identity property, you know. So A into IA is equal to A into IA is equal to A. A is what here? A is minus 1, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 7, 8, 6 is equal to I is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Right? Boards, most important boards. Okay. So now what we will do? Now you have to make, this is 1. Our target is here 1, 1, 1, 0. You have to make like this only. So I'll make it first target is here 1. But you have here minus 1. Suppose you have 2, divide by 2. If you have 3, divide by 3. If you have 5, divide by 5. Okay. So here is minus 1 is there. So R1 replaced with minus 1. Means I will multiply with minus 1. So if I multiply with minus 1, what I am getting? 1, minus 4, minus 5, 6, 3, 2, 7, 8, 6. And this is equal to minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. And I told you next our target is what? To make 2 zeros. So 2 zeros how to make here? First I make here R1 implies, R2 implies R2 minus 6 R1. R3 implies R3 minus 7 R1. So because I have to make 2 zeros, right? So what I get here, this is equal to here 1 minus 4 minus 5. No change here. R2 R3 operation. So R2 R3 change. See, this is becomes what here? 0 0. Okay. So next this one, tell me. 3 plus 24, that is 27, right? Next, tell me. 8 plus
28.
Sure.
Yes. 36.
Complete. 36. Okay, next. Here 2 minus 6 5 is a 30. 28.
32. Minus.
Okay, 32. Next.
6 plus 35.
6 plus 41, right? Correct? Right. Abhi dekho say here. R2 means what here? R2 is 0. 0 minus 6 into this. Minus into minus plus. So you get here what? So R1 no change. R1 will be minus 1, 0, 0. But R2 will be what here? 0 plus 6. Plus 6. Should I write steps? Directly we can write. 12th class we can write. Now tell me. Next. Up 11th, no? Still 0 minus 7 into this minus. Minus into minus plus 7. Okay. Here 1 minus 6 minus 5. Right? Next 0.
1 minus of
0 minus 7 minus 7. Okay, 0 minus 6 minus 6. 1 minus 7 minus 6, right na? Everything right na? Right? Yes, everyone. So you got this step. See here, actually I have to take questions from textbook or somewhere, but I took your point of view, whatever you ask, because the calculation will become difficult. See, this calculation will be difficult, I know, but I took from your side. If I take another questions, calculation will become easy. Reason is now Now our target is to make here 1. We have to make this is here 1. Don't try to do this is 0, this is 0. Don't do it. First you have to make this is 1. So if I want to make this is 1, so what I have to do?
127.
Divide by 27. So R2 divided by R2 implies R2 divided by 27 we have to use. So what I will get here? 1 minus 4 minus 5. So divide here. 0 by 27 is 0. 27 by 27 is 1. 32 by 27. God. 0. 36. 41. Okay, no problem. Here is okay. Now here minus 1, 0, 0. 6 by 27. Minus 5 by 27. Minus 6 by 27. 7. Minus 7. Minus 6 into 8. Achha, now you got this is 1, right? Target like this only you do it. Don't do any other things. Make it here 1. Make it 2 zeros. Make it here 1, middle 1, 1. Then make these 2 zeros. Help of whom? R2. Help of R2. So what I do here? R1 implies R1 plus 4R2. Okay. See next one, R3 implies tell me. R3 ये होगा नहीं यार. R3 minus
9 R1. R3 minus 9 R1. Plus 9 R1. Because minus is already there.
R1 this is see R1 plus 4R2. R3
Yes.
R3 minus 36R2.
Yes. We are taking R1.
Arey, you don't take like that. That is what I am telling. Arey, you are not understanding. You want to take, you take it like that. The pages will go on. You will not get the answer. By mistake, you will get the answer. Otherwise, the pages will go on. You try at home. You will understand. First, our target is what? Make this is 1. Help this. Take the help of this. Make other 2 zeros. Right. Second is point is what? Make this is 1. Take help of this only. And make others to 0. You are using other thing now. This will be disturbed again.
Yes.
And then you have to do again. Then when you will get answer? You will not get the answer. Understood? Clear? Picture is clear? Yes. You have to do like this only. But your question, na, that's why it is very lengthy now. Textbook question means easy. So what we do here? I think, right? Tell me, sir, R1 plus 4R2, right? This will be 1, 0, 0. No problem. This will be our target only that. So 0, 1, 0. So 2 parts done, right? And now here is the problem now. Now what is the problem? Minus 5. You have R1 plus 4 times of R2. 32 by 27. That's what I am saying. Problem means the question according to your question, the calculation will become difficult. If it is the textbook question, easy calculation will be done. Now here calculation cancellation, see that 3 table, no cancel. Multiply, sir. Minus 135. Plus 128. How much it will be? Fatafat. Minus 7 by 27. So you are getting here minus 7 by 27. R2 no disturbance. So 32 by 27. R3 disturbance. R3 will get how much here? R3 means 41 na? 41 minus, tell me faster. minus 36 into 32 by 27. Okay, okay. 9 threes are 9 fours are.
41 minus 128 by 3.
3 is the LCM.
Yes.
3 cancel. No, no.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
123 minus 128. How much? Minus 5 by 3. So this is I got how much? Minus 5 by 3. Okay, this done. This side is done. Then again this side also you have to do, no? I'll do it now. Fatafat, tell me, sir. That's what I said. Now you get what here? You have to do everything. Every step you have to do. Only R2 will not change. So R minus 1, minus 1. This is what very big question now. If I choose a question over. Sir. No? Tell me. Minus 1. Fast, please. Minus 1 plus 4 times of R2. 6 by 27. 6 by 27. So minus 27 plus 6 fours are 24 divided by 27. That is minus 3 by 27. Minus 3 by 27 means 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9. See, this is the calculation has become difficult. Okay. So now what you have R1. Okay, this is the here, na? Okay. R1 plus 4R2. It means minus 420 by 27. 20 by 27. Now here R1, right now?
24 by 27.
Did I applied any rule here? I did not apply it in last time. I applied, right? Yeah?
We just had to change R2 now, so R1 and R2 remain same.
Tell me. Here. See, you are not telling anything. Minus.
24 by 27.
No, sir. This one into this, na? Minus 36.
No, sir. R1 plus 4 R2 now. R1 is
Acha, R1 plus 4R2. Right. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I was checking this one. Okay, sorry. R1 plus, how much it is?
minus 24 by
24 by 27. Minus 24 by 27. R2 is same.
8 by 9.
Minus 8 by 9. Minus 8 by 9. R2 is same. 6 by 27 minus 5 by 27 minus 6 by 27, right, into A. Now I have to do this one also. Yes, sir? I have to do this one. Now tell me this one how to do. Come on, fast. Don't waste this time. So you keep, actually those who are watching this video, keep in 2.0 like fast. Now do it. Tell me.
216 by 27. 7 minus 216 by 27.
7 minus 216 by 27. So 27 into 7. 49. 7 to the 14. 189. 189 minus 216 divided by 27. That is equal to minus 11 minus 16. Minus 27. So minus 1. Minus 1 I get. Okay. Correct? Yes. Right. Next tell me. Fatafat. Tell fast. See, minus 7 minus
180 by 27.
180 by
Plus 180 by 27.
sure na?
Yes.
27. Now next here 189. This I get minus 189 plus 180. That's minus 9 by 27 minus 1 by 3.
Minus 1 by 3.
Minus 1 by 3. Next.
Minus 6 plus 216 by 27.
Minus 6 plus 216 by 27. So this I am getting 189, right? No, na. 27 into 6. 7, 6 is 42, 2, 6, 1, 162. 162 minus 162 plus 216 by 27. So it is 38, 38, 16. Okay, 38, 16 means 54. Minus 54 by 27, 27 3s are.
Yes.
Minus 3.
Two, sir.
Checking. Okay, so this one you got, right? Now our next time is what? No, where is 1? This one we have to make it 1, then we have to do these all.
No, that one.
Arey yaar, 1 na?
This
So minus 5 by 3 should be one.
Right, minus 5 by 3 you have to make it 1. Come on. Right. Okay. See here, that question again I am writing. This one. What you got here? Tell me. 1, 0, 0. Tell. 0, 1, 0. Next. Minus 7 by 27. Any cancellation? 32 by 27. 32 by 27. Minus 5 by 3, right? Is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 9, minus 20 by 27, minus 8 by 9, 6, 2 by 9, minus 5 by 27, minus 2 by 9, correct na? Cancellation after. Minus 1, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 into 8, right? This is what you have. So what we will do now our target, next target will be making this one 0 or this one 1. Our target is this. So if I want to make this is 1, what I write here? R3 divided by, I do one thing. R3 implies, right. R3 implies minus 3 by 5 R3. So what I get here now? This is equal to 1, 0. Now I have to multiply only R3, right? Not these all. So R2, R1 will be same, no change. Only R3, what I get? 0, 0, 1. And this is equal to what I get here? Minus 1 by 9, minus 20 by 27, minus 8 by 9, 2 by 9, right? Minus 5 by 27, minus 2 by 9. Now I have to multiply minus 3 by 5, right? If I multiply with minus 3 by 5, what I get here? 5 by 3. Minus into minus plus 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Next what I get here? Minus 3 cancel, 1 by 5. Now what I get next? 6 by 5. 6 by 5 into A. That's fine. Now what I have to make it here? These two I have to make it zeros. Okay, these two here we have to make it 0. So what I write here? I'll write here R1 implies R1 plus 7 by 27 R3. Okay, next R2 implies R2 minus 32 by 27 R3. This side is okay. Only problem is that side. Right? So this side problem, what here? This side we will write 1001, right? The simple thing here we will write this side as 100 010 001. Okay, this is equal to. Now R1, R2 going to change? So R3 is same. So इनवर्स का R3 आ गया हमको. ऑप्शन में भी कभी देखते हो ना, R3 we got then over. So R3 options is what here? 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 6 by 5. Now our target is R2 and R1. R1 tell me. R1 is what? Minus 1 by 9 plus 7 by 27 into 3 by 5. 3 ones are 3 nines are. So what I get here? Minus 1 by 9 plus 7 by 45. So 45 is the LCM. 9 5s are plus 7. How much you get here? 2 by 45. So first one is what? 2 by 45. Very dangerous, huh? Now next one. Next one. Minus 20 by 27 plus 7 by 27 into 1 by 5. Right. Okay, okay. Any cancellation? No. So 7 is the LCM. So 27 into 5 is the LCM. 27 into 5. So 7 5 is 35. 135. 135 means here 5 will multiply minus 100 plus 7. So that is I get minus 93 by 135. Any cancellation? 3 table, no? 3 3s are 3 1s are. 3 4s are 3 5s are. So minus 31 by 45. Minus 31 by 45. Okay, last one is there, na? For R1. Almost we have ended, na? Now tell me. Minus 8 by 9 plus 7 by 27 into 6 by 5. Okay, okay, fine, fine.
6 and 27 cancel. 2 by 9.
6 and 2, 9. Any cancellation? So minus 8 by 9 plus 14 by 45. 45 is the LCM. Okay, 8 5s are 40 plus 14. Right? 40 plus 14 is how much? Minus 26. Minus 26 by 45. No cancellation. Minus 26 by 45 you got. Right? No? R2 is left. R2 we have to do. See, calculation is becoming very difficult. So this method rarely we use. Only for boards we will use this method. Okay, next. 2 by 9 minus 32 by 27. 27. 3 by 5. So 3 1s are 3 9s are. Anything cancel? No. So here 45 is the LCM. 5 2s are 10. Minus 32, that is minus 22 by 45. So minus 22 by 45. Okay, next one. What I get here? Minus 5 by 27 minus 32 by 27 into 1 by 5. No cancellation? So 27 into 5, 135? 135, and here you are going to get how much? Minus? Minus 25? Minus 32. So minus 67. 57. Minus 57 by 135. So this will be cancelled. 3 table. 3 ones. 3 ones and 3 nines. Okay, and this is cancelled 345 times. Okay, any more cancellation? No. So minus 19 by 45 you got. Okay, last one, last and final. Tell me, next what you get? Minus 2 by 9 minus 32 by 27 into 6 by 5. Okay, getting 2 by 9. So you get 45 is the LCM. So minus 10 minus 32, 64. Yeah, 64. That is minus 74 by 45. Right? No cancellation. See, check here in the previous also correct, na? Minus 74 by 45. So now you got this one. So this is the inverse of the matrix. See, we took actually generally I asked you questions, so I took, that's why it takes a lot of time. In general questions will not get that much time. Okay, but see the method. Board's point of view, it is 6 marks question. 6 marks question. Okay, that's the reason you have to follow these steps which I told properly. You follow it. That's the reason randomly I pick up the question. So you can do any question like this. Okay, fine.
This question will be there now.
Huh?
Put down one, then this question will be there.
Sure. I will tell you question paper also.